Super easy, super fun, beautiful bracelet to make. Let's get started. And welcome to Beaded by Malia. And this is your very short list of items you are going to need in order to achieve this beautiful bracelet. And as we do in all of my tutorials, we measure the wrist and we pin it down on the board to know exactly how many beads or how long we are making the bracelet. I like to measure my elastic, double time my wrist so that I have enough to use when it comes to tying it up at the end. Make sure that if you are using a stretch elastic, to stretch that elastic. It needs it. I found that many times when I didn't stretch my elastic snapped by the time I came to tying it up, and it is a pain when all of your beads just scatter everywhere and you have to start again. So I'm first starting with the center of the bracelet. So the center of the bracelet, I will be adding a flat spacer. So this is like a bead cap, but not with the indent, it's kind of straight. So I'm using the spacer with a 4mm white pearl bead and then a spacer again. This just gives it a nice look. It actually draws your eye to the center of the bracelet. Setting out the center point beads because I want the center of the bracelet to stand out. So I'm doing 2 white, 2 green, 1 white, 2 green, and then I will be adding another space at the end of that green bead. I didn't show it over here, but that is what I'm doing. So you'll repeat that on the other side, and then all around we're doing white beads. When adding your white beads as well, just make sure to fit it around your wrist to see if you're happy with that. Like I said, add an extra inch, so that's an extra couple of beads. That just gives some nice ease around the wrist so you're not choking your wrist. I'm giving it just another little stretch, and then we're going to do a surgeon's knot. And then we can do another surgeon's knot on top of that knot, and then I'm going to do just another one knot, and then I'm going to cut the rest of it off. And this is what it looks like. Looks pretty fancy, huh? And we are done. This was simple, easy, beautiful. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe because I will be posting so many more. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and until next time, bye.